Good afternoon, students. As the previous day, we started another new chapter called The Northern Mountains. This is the second chapter of your SST book, and that day we completed the topics: the mighty Himalayas, location, Greater Himalaya or Himadri, Middle Himalaya or Himachal, and Outer Himalaya or Shivalik. The importance of Himalayas, life of mountains, Jammu Kashmir, Uttarakhand, Himachal Pradesh and Sikkim. Today we will start from the story of seven sisters. So let's start. The Purvachal range of Himalayas lies to the eastern border of India and enters in Myanmar. So there is another branch of Himalaya that is called Purvachal, and it is lies to the eastern border of India and then enters in Myanmar. These ranges are located in the states of Arunachal Pradesh, Manipur, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Nagaland, Assam and Tripura. It also known as the Patkoi range. So the Purvachal range is also known as the Patkoi range, and this is located in the state of Arunachal Pradesh, Manipur, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Nagaland, Assam and Tripura, the seven states. This is why these seven states are called as seven sisters. These states are connected to the rest of the India via a narrow strip in West Bengal called Siliguri Corridor or Chicken Snake. So the northeastern India is connected to the rest of India with a small corridor in West Bengal that is called as Siliguri Corridor or Chicken Snake. Assam is the northeastern state of India among the hills of Purvachal. Its capital is Dispur. Assam lies between the Brahmaputra and Barak river valleys. The land of the higher rainfall, Assam is blessed with lush greenery. It is surrounded by other six northeastern states. Assam is the northeastern state of India and it's the largest northeastern state of India also. It lies among the hills of Purvachal and the capital city of Assam is Dispur. It lies between Barak Valley and Brahmaputra Valley. The state of Assam also shares international boundary with Bhutan and Bangladesh. Assam is famous for its tea garden, handloom and handicraft. So Assam is famous for its tea garden, handloom and handicrafts. Assam has successfully conserved the famous one-horned Indian rhinoceros from extinction. It is popular for wildlife tourism, especially in the Kaziranga National Park. So, a famous wildlife species that is one-horned rhino, which only found in the Kaziranga National Park, and Assam is very successfully conserved the famous rhinoceros from extinction. Then Arunachal Pradesh. The capital of this state is Itanagar. The capital of Arunachal Pradesh is Itanagar. Arunachal Pradesh has diverse variety of forest and magnificent wildlife. Terrace farming, domestication and breeding of yak and mountain sheep is popular. Rice grown extensively in this region. Pisciculture is also practiced. Pisciculture means growing fishes in pond. There are number of places to visit in this state like Ganga Lake, Tawang Monastery, Sela Lake, Zero Valley and Namdapa Reserve, Tiger Reserve. So the most famous places to visit in Arunachal Pradesh are Ganga Lake, Tawang Monastery, Sela Lake, Zero Valley and Namdapa Tiger Reserve. Variety of adventure sports are also organized here like river rafting, trekking, hiking and boating. Arunachal Pradesh is home of number of tribes. Important festivals celebrated here are Re, Dri, Naikum, Salung and Losar. So most important festival of this state is Re, Dri, Naikum, Salung and Losar. Manipur. The state of Manipur lies in the northeastern part of India. Imphal is the capital city. The capital city of Manipur is Imphal. The people of Manipur belong to different tribes like Kuki, Naga, Pangal and Mizo. The main language is Manipuri. Important places to visit are Keibul, Lamjo National Park, Loktak Lake. The most important places to visit are Keibul, Lamjo National Park and Loktak Lake. Loktak Lake is a floating lake. Turmeric, ginger, vegetables and fruits are widely grown. Manipuri style of dances is very famous and it mostly represents the Ras Leela. Important festivals celebrated here are Ningol, Chakumba and Yashongan. Manipur has given the world the modern version of polo or Sagol Kangji. So modern version of polo given to the world by Manipur. Meghalaya. Shillong is the capital of Meghalaya. The district of Khasi, Jayanti and Garo together forms Meghalaya. So the Meghalaya mainly forms by three districts called Khasi, Garo and Jayantia. Most of the people are agriculturists. The main crop grown here is rice, maize, potatoes, pineapple and bananas. The tribal people of Meghalaya are Khasi, Garo, Jayantia, Boro and Koch. The languages spoken here are Khasi, Garo and English. The highest point of the Meghalaya is the Shillong Peak. The most important festivals celebrated here Kashat Suk Maisim Lo dance is the folk dance of Meghalaya. So the most important festival of celebrated here is the Satsuk Mainsim and Lodh dance of the folk dance are famous in Meghalaya and the highest peak of Meghalaya is Shillong Peak. Mausinram near Cherrapunji recorded the maximum annual rainfall in the world. There are number of waterfalls in the state like Elephanta Falls, Bishop Falls and Naukalikai Falls. Meghalaya has many lakes, wildlife sanctuaries and national parks, the most important one being Nokrek National Park. Mizoram. The capital of Mizoram is Aizawl. The highest peak of the Mizoram is Blue Mountain and it's also called as Phaungipui Lang. The largest river of the state is Kaladan and the biggest lake is the Pala Lake. So the highest peak of the Mizoram is Blue Mountain. The largest river of the state is Kaladan and biggest lake is Pala Lake. There are many tribes among the Mizos. Mizos are very fond of music and love playing guitar. Majority of the people of the state depends on agriculture. The women of Mizoram wear traditional costumes which beautiful traditional design called puan, which likes wrapper skirt. So the traditional dress of the Mizo women is called as puan. Nagaland. It lies the far northeastern part of India. Its capital is Kohima and largest city is Dimapur. The highest peak of Nagaland is the Mount Saramati. It is the mountainous state with number of tribes, Naga being the most important tribes, all of them. Agriculture is the most important activity. The farmers grow potatoes, sugarcane, oilseeds, tobacco, pulses, millets, corn and rice. Naga have beautiful shawls with unique designs and bright colors. So Nagaland is the northeastern state of the India. Its capital is Kohima. The highest peak is Mount Saramati, and the most important tribe of Nagaland is Naga, and most of the people depend on agriculture. A grand Hornbill festival is held every year during December. It showcases the culture of Nagaland. Grand Hornbill is a famous festival from Nagaland, and to see this festival, people come all around the world. This festival shows the culture of Nagaland. Every tribe has its own language. The most common spoken languages is Nagamese. Places of tourist interest are Wawade waterfall and Kohima heritage Kisama heritage village. Anishi and Aksone are popular dishes of the state. So the most important tourist place are Wawade waterfall and Kisama heritage village. The famous food of Nagaland is Anishi and Aksone. Tripura, it also one of the northeastern state of India. Agartala is the capital of Tripura. It is densely forested area. Cane and bamboo trees are grown in abundance. This region receives the heavy rainfall during the monsoon season. It has a rich flora and fauna. There are many wildlife sanctuaries and national parks like Clouded Leopard National Park and Sipahijhola Wildlife Sanctuary. So, Tripura is one of the northeastern state. The capital of the state is Agartala. The natural vegetation is cane and bamboo trees. The region receives a heavy rainfall in monsoon season. There are many national park and wildlife sanctuaries in this state, and the most important the most famous national park is Clouded Leopard National Park and Sipahijhola Wildlife Sanctuary. The people depends on agriculture and grown sugarcane, rice, pulses and jute. Rubber and tea are important cash crops of the state. Handicrafts like wood carving, bamboo products and cane weaving is extensively practiced. People are very fond of dance and music. Some musical instruments used here are sarinda and samui. Gadiya and jhum are some of the dance forms in these states. So people mainly depend on agriculture in these states. The main growing crops are sugarcane, rice, pulses, jute, rubber and tree. Handicrafts like wood carving, bamboo products and cane weaving is extensively practiced. The people of these states love dance and music. Some musical instruments are sarinda and samui. Godiya and jhum are famous dance form of these states. The women wear three-piece dress called ringai, ringnai and raisa and rikutu. So the traditional dress of the women of this state is ringnai, raisa and rikutu. The traditional dress of men is called as kamchuali, barak. But today most of the people wear western clothes. So students, today we will learn about the seven sisters. Seven sisters means the seven states that lies in the northeastern India. Those are Arunachal Pradesh, Manipur, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Nagaland, Assam and Tripura. And we get to know each of the main festival cultures, agricultural product, capital cities and the tourism places of these states. I hope you understand what I taught you today. If you have any question, you can message me in WhatsApp. Thank you, and learn this chapter very carefully.